Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I have teamed up with Skinstore.com again. They are running a super fun campaign called Luxury Treat Yourself. So as you guys know, I am a big believer in self-care, and as we are coming into the busy holiday season, things are ramping up, and this year is definitely going to feel a little bit different due to the circumstances going on in the world. So I think it's the perfect time to take a little step back and remind yourself to take care of you. Part of my job as a holistic health coach is helping people kind of learn to take care of themselves inside and out. And I'm so excited to participate in this campaign because I truly believe that doing like a little skincare ritual or just creating a little bit of space for yourself every day, it can be as short as 5 minutes to up to 30 minutes, but I just find that it helps people ground themselves and just have a much more productive and happy day. So with that being said, today I'm going to be sharing with you two kind of fun skin store items. One of them you've seen before, another one I think you're going to be curious about, but they have so many luxury beauty brands at Skinstore.com that it's a fun place to shop. And of course, I have got a special discount code, a 25% off discount code for you guys. So I'm excited to share that as well. So you guys, I ended up picking out the Natura Bisse, the Diamond Collection set. So inside here it includes the Diamond Extreme Cream as well as the Diamond Extreme Eye Cream. Now you guys, both of these are products that I have used in the past. I've used the Natura Bisse entire line before, and so when I was looking at everything, I was like, remembered how much I enjoyed this cream as well as the eye cream. So today we are going to be putting that on my face, and I'm going to give you a little bit more information about both products. These are fantastic as we're coming into the cooler weather. This Natura Bisse Diamond Collection, this is worth $613 and you're going to get it for $385. Then if you use my code ABBY25, you're going to get 25% off this beautiful kit. You guys, the cream itself, the Natura Bisse Diamond Cream Extreme, is already $385 just for itself. And then you're going to get a 0.8 size of the Diamond Extreme Eye Cream, which is just lovely. Okay guys, look at this cute little Natura Bisse. This is a Barcelona brand, and inside you are going to receive the Diamond Extreme Cream and the Diamond Extreme Eye Cream. Natura Bisse's Diamond Extreme Moisturizer is an innovative treatment that stimulates skin's natural defense mechanisms to repair and protect from environmental aggressors. The rich, ultra-hydrating formula contains Artemia salina, which works to re-energize cellular metabolism to smooth and plump, as well as ursolic acid to lift and tighten the look of sagging skin and improve elasticity. Essential lipids extracted from mango, shea, and amaranth help balance optimum moisture levels, while extract of Edelweiss flower enhances protection from harmful free radicals and light reflecting pigments. Are going to add a subtle luminosity to your skin. You will wake up feeling that your skin is restored and revitalized, and it will have a beautiful radiance to your skin. This is suitable for all skin types, and you can use this in the morning and night. It is a super rich, dense cream, you guys. I find it to be just fantastic as we're coming into the more winter months. It truly is for all skin types. But if you have dry skin like mine, you're going to find that this is just absolutely gorgeous. And the great thing about this one is that it's going to give your skin a nice little glow, but it's also going to sink right into the skin. So it's not going to feel super heavy, but it is going to have that kind of luxe buttery feel that I love, those kind of more rich creams. Combat signs of aging with the Natura Bisse Diamond Extreme Eye Cream, an innovative treatment that stimulates skin's natural defense mechanisms to repair and protect from environmental aggressors. A botanical blend of calendula, horse chestnut, and licorice extracts seek to minimize the appearance of dark circles and puffiness with light reflecting pigments, adding luminosity and brightness. The delicate eye area appears more awake and revitalized with a youthful looking glow. So as we are starting to think about the holidays, I definitely think this would be a fantastic gift set, especially for your beauty junkie or skincare junkie, especially if they live in a bit of a colder climate or have kind of dry skin. I think that somebody's going to absolutely love this Diamond Extreme Cream. I'm wearing it today, guys. It gives your skin just a beautiful glow. It is nice and rich and hydrating, but again, it's not feeling heavy at all on my skin. I feel like it gives me a nice little glow, a little bit of a firming action, but again, it isn't going to be too dense or greasy, and it works really well with makeup. So plays really well with makeup. And then I thought I would share this once again, you guys. This is the Skinstore Holiday Edit Box. This is so fantastic, and I know that many of you picked this up already and you have told me that you love it. So I'm so glad, because again, I've got a special code for this box, and because again, I have a special code for this box. This is just a fantastic gift, you guys. I think that anybody would love, especially for your skincare beauty junkies. This is going to be right up their alley. It is packed full with goodies. I'm quickly going to go through each box, but if you want more details, I have already done a video on this. But in box number 1, you're going to be getting the 111 Skin Mask. Again, this is the Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy Facial Mask. Fantastic. And I really love the 111 Skin Masks. I use those all the time. And then in box number 2, you're getting the Omorovitsa, the Gold Repair Cream, which is fantastic again for this time of year. This is a nice deluxe size. And then, as I was saying the other day, you could get this for yourself to kind of then separate the gifts and put them in stockings or as little hostess gifts. They are just fantastic. And then in box number 3, we've got the Babar. These are the multivitamin little repair ampules. Again, can't go wrong with those. Number 4, you're going to get one of the beautiful little Nest candles. Again, perfect little gift size. As well as the Molten Brown little eucalyptus shower gel. These are 2 no-brainers. Anybody would love those. Then in 5, you are getting the U Beauty Resurfacing Compound. As I said, I'm intrigued by this and I'm going to be testing it out myself because it's got a lot of buzz going on with it. In box number 6 is one of my personal favorites. You're getting a full size of the Chantecaille. This is the Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask. You guys, this is a no-brainer. Everybody who's going to use this will like it. It's fantastic for sensitive skin. And then in box number 7, you're going to get a Christophe Robin Perfect Hair Duo. It's going to have a purifying scrub for your scalp as well as a regenerating mask, which includes prickly pear seed oil. I'm so excited about this and that brand. I'm going to hear great things about it. Then you're going to get a full eye cream. This is the Verso Eye Cream. And then again, it's never too early to start using an eye cream. And then in box number 9, we've got the L'Occitane, the hand cream. This is a classic and again, fantastic as a stocking stuffer or just a hostess gift. And then we've got box number 10. We've got the beautiful PCA. This is the X-Linea. This is the X-Linea Peptide Smoothing Serum. Fantastic sort of universal serum that anybody can benefit. Peptides are fantastic for your skin. And then in box number 11, we've got the Aurelia Miracle Cleanser along with one of the muslin cloths, which I love. So fantastic little cleanser, gentle for everybody. And then ending with the Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. So this one is just loaded up with so many goodies. And again, you guys, I just wanted to mention that because I know a few of you already bought this for yourselves and you love it. So wanted to mention that as well. Perfect little luxury gift for others or for yourself. It is chock full of luxury little goodies, and I will leave all the information below with my special discount codes. But thank you so much, Skinstore. So happy to be included in this campaign. Big believer in little self-care, goes a long way. And I think as we are kind of starting to ramp up to the busier season, it's a good little reminder to take care of yourself as well. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll be back with another one soon.